Serious mining. How do you know there's serious mining going on? It's all in the chimneys, folks. If there's 3 chimneys, it's serious. You might say, what, Steve, I can only count 2 chimneys. That's because, folks, the third one was out of frame. So let me just show you there was 3. Look to my left. There it is there. See the white ones? Right there next to the right hand side of Mount Isa Mines. There's the 4th there. So it's really serious mining. 3.5 chimneys. Mount Isa. Woohoo!
I saw you from the beginning. You were clearly out of my league. You didn't look at where I was standing. I thought that we would never meet. But here we are now, 2 restless souls, lost in a room full of strangers. I wanna wash that sad look from your face, and maybe you can keep me away from dangers. Let's sneak out together, baby, and spend some time just you and me. I wanna set you free when no one else is there to see. Everybody knows you're a lady, yeah.
This is Gidgee. Where's the Gidgee?
Gidgee, yeah.
3rd time.
Gidgee.
Get yourself to the Gidgee, guys. Yum.
Wait for the camera.
Main drag, isn't it?
Here's the main drag.
Woohoo!
Just hope we can get a car park.
It's only early in the day. Sure we will. Gives you a tax style. Remember the barman's name?
Matt.
G'day, Matt.
Hey,
Oh,
Matt.
look how many people are there. Oh, it's
Yeah, it's
lunchtime.
Buses, that's all right.
It's much busier, isn't it? What's it do? Hang it in here, Duff.
Okay.
More food. Look at the tats. What do you got?
Secret.
Basket. Without the basket. There we are. Woohoo. Today we are heading to Longreach, and then we're going to Blackall. How's Steve's world?
He's waking up, as always, in the morning. My big brain is slow to get going in the morning.
Oh, wow.
Just fact of life.
That is room 12. Big thumbs up for room 12. Have you changed your routine?
Yeah.
What'd you do different?
I didn't finish this off the way I normally would. So now, no problem.
Oh dear. As much as I like biking, you like biking and beer. This is Blackall, people. Nice little town.
You're still recording?
Yes, I'm waiting for something profound to be said.
Something profound. Okay, here we are in Blackall, which is behind the Black Stump. And you know what happens after there?
No.
Anything's possible. If you want to experience the true essence of Queensland, you should come out here.
Yes.
It's worth it.
Couldn't agree more.
Locals need patronage, and it just gives you a sense of wide open spaces to let things breathe.
Yes. Cheers. There we are. We stayed there. That's our room. That's our door. There's we sat and had coffees. There's our bikes. Here we are in Blackall. We're about to have a cruisy 3-hour ride down the road to Charleville. And there's a Cosmos Centre in Charleville, so nerdy self is a little bit excited about that. $10.
Yep. Usual.
How's Steve's world?
It's good. It's good.
Is Steve awake?
Very awake today. It's warm. There's something about having purpose in life. It's always a good thing. Today I have purpose. Once we go through
Augathella.
we go through the town, then we turn right on the A71.
I know.
It's not so hot today, is it?
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go. Nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go now? Now just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay.
God, that was quick. Wasn't it, Dale?
Yeah. Can you take
Take the choppies
and the sauce?
and the sauce. Oh man, what a feast. Augathella's a winner. They all good? Yeah, we're going to town. This is Charleville's accommodation. Yum. It's all right. We're going to get some brunch. It's a long way, hey Steve?
No, this one buggered.
Yeah.
Truly buggered.
You needed a night off because you felt every one of those kilometres. Hey Dale.
1161. 1161.
There you go.
I lost the pin.
You did?
Got to get a legacy pin somewhere on the way from Mount Isa to here. Lost it.
We're going to go to the RSL
I just got to get a new one.
in Charleville.
Where are you?
I'm at the Cosmos Centre.
Cosmos Centre.
Because it's got cool dark skies, you know, out here.
Really?
Yes.
Where are you going today?
Cunnamulla. Vroom, vroom. You know, people. Stephen won.
What? Where are you?
Cunnamulla.
What are you doing in Cunnamulla?
Come to say hello to the Cunnamulla fella.
Interesting bike here.
Smart women come prepared with their sexy black shorty shorts to wear under their bikie. Where are your sexy black shorts, Steve?
I don't have any.
Well, that's too bad for me, because I could be perving on your gorgeous ass. Instead, you're perving on my gorgeous ass.
See, folks.
What he has
She's
to
a
put up
pistol.
with.
All right, where are you going now?
We're in the room too, aren't we?
Okay, where you go?
What you doing, Stevie?
That's what Lucinda was a very good find.
Yes.
I enjoyed that. But I am looking forward to getting to here.
Where?
Cooktown.
Yes. The serenity. Hello, Dale. It's going to rain soon. We're going to be caught in the rain. We were pretty much on the money in our anticipating of need and time travelled. 2 hours in the morning and then afternoon spent perusing these lovely little Western Queensland country towns. So folks, get with the program, get out west. So
what?
today we woke up and it was raining. This bed is very comfortable. So we decided to rearrange our life. We're staying an extra day because of this. Who'd have thought? The only cloud over Australia, and it's over us. Oh, smell that. Smells so nice. Yes, good call. Here he is, in his happy place. Grandad Gould. Morning, Leo. If you're watching this when you're 21. This is the road between Cunnamulla and Bolan. We're on the way to Bolan and then we're going to St George. We've stopped at a truckie stop and it did rain, but look at the lovely red soil. Stevie's doing his visor thing.
Going like a dirty vine.
There's rain coming.
Cleaning visors.
How's Steve?
How's Steve? You're tired.
It's that comfy bed.
Huh?
It's the comfy bed.
Yeah, but I also recognise that at 61, running around after 6 weeks on the motorbike.
You tired, Bubs?
It's a bit tired.
Yeah, I agree with that.
And then after a while, you know, pub grub.
Yeah. You just want to cook your own food, eh?
I'm cooking and food. A few beers.
I second that motion.
It's desert.
It's just country, Bubbies.
Still, I'm happy to be out here.
Yes.
Wouldn't be dead for twigs, as they say.
No.
Oh, look, it's a Crocosaurus.
Where's his body?
He's here. But then look. What's that, Crocosaurus? What? Oh!
How are you doing?
It's doing a death roll. Hang on.
You right, Dale? Whoa! Oh, you broken. Dale, you broke the crocodile. Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh, he's all better. Whoops. Oops.
Yeah, so it looks like someone else has, you know, been there before you and broken
Yeah,
teeth
taking
and
a
stuff.
few teeth out.
Yeah,
Oh,
so,
this is all
yeah.
part of it. Look, you're on. It's going to be the infamous story. Oh, see? Fixing,
Yes. Making it right.
making the crocs still smell
Steve Irwin.
better. That's it. Thanks so much.
Thanks, Dale. See ya. Here you go. For fans of wheels, Count the number of wheels on this rig. Each one of those you can see is worth 4 wheels.
Only nearly 126 wheels.
Here he goes. Ooh, here's his tyres. Those tyres probably belong to that truck. How many tyres were there again?
There was 146.
146 tyres. That's a lot of rubber.
Yes.
Croc's all fixed. We're going to take Crocky back and float him. Ready for another wrestle. That's a storm.
I don't mind 4 days.
You don't mind 4 days here?
Yeah.
Why not? See?
We got a good pool.
We do. Let's check that weather out.
We need to go and lock it in, ready?
Yes, we do. Let's go and lock it in, Eddie. This is why we didn't ride our bikes. Actually raining. Lunch. Couscous. More vindication that we didn't ride. We're sheltering. On a walk and it's raining. The end of ceaseless wandering is upon us.
Here we go.
Look, we're all packed up. We're going to swap the bikes, 2 wheels for 4 wheels. Because there's really vicious storms and we don't want to get blown off, washed away.
Did you have to sum up the trip in one word?
Getting distance.
Yes.
This
Okay.
is about getting distance. If you're ever coming to Miles and you want a nice holiday, it's the best pool in southwest Queensland and you want room 17.
But I heard there's crocodiles in there.
Ah, there is.
Look! Here's the cup.
Look. This is the Crocosaurus. Stevie wrestled. He's got a scar. Stevie didn't do that.
But he
He was
fixed
having
him.
Fun.
He fixed him.
Fixed him. So what have we learned? We don't do aimless. We need a destination.
Need a destination.
Yes, we do. Yeah, oh yes. We learned that if you'd asked us at the beginning of the trip, would we have spent 5 days in Mount Isa and 5 days in Miles, we would have said absolutely not. But in hindsight, that proved to be really perfectly fine destinations for a couple of... for a
Pool
couple-
to ourselves.
Look at this.
Spa.
So that's it, folks.
Signing off.
Signing off. That's
Till
it
the
for
next
trip.
adventure.
Till the next adventure.
See you down the road.
Have fun.